Due to the tight schedule, it is going to be another shoot in hand prediction video. Yes, that's my schedule right now. That I can't even set it up on tripod and shoot it. So let's begin our Elimination Chamber 2021 predictions. Yeah. First matches for the Raw Women's Championship between the champion Asuka and the challenger Lacey Evans. Come on, Dolly, update the match. It's still updated that Asuka will face Lacey Evans, but she can't. Lacey Evans is pregnant in real life. So we need a replacement or this match will be cancelled. Dolly should have announced this till now, but I guess that Asuka will face either Charlotte or Peyton Royce, and in either condition, Asuka will retain. Next is a triple threat match for the United States Championship between the champion, the almighty Bobby Lashley, the limitless Keith Lee, and Riddle. Now the only problem here is that rumors say that Keith Lee may not be a part of the PPV. I don't know why. He should be the part of the PPV. Whatever, if this match is between Riddle and Lashley or it is a triple threat, my prediction is that Bobby Lashley will retain because currently Dalal is pushing him like a beast, like a monster, like he is replacing Brock Lesnar in the current WWE. So it's perfect for Lashley to retain. Matches for the Women Tag Team Championships. Oh my goodness, they just make a tag team in a day. Nia Jax and Shayna Baszler versus Sasha Banks and Bianca Belair. Anything. They're not a team. You're just mixing them for making a team. You had Naomi and Lana. I don't know why. You even have Dakota Kai and Raquel Gonzalez. What the? So, whatever this match is, my prediction is that Sasha Banks and Bianca Belair will not win the match because they will fight at WrestleMania. Bianca Belair has to choose Sasha Banks. So, if they win the tag title, so it will distract them from WrestleMania. So, the better option is that Nia Jax and Shayna Baszler win the match, igniting the feud between Bianca Belair and Sasha Banks. Now next is the Elimination Chamber match for the number one contendership of Universal Championship. It has Cesaro, Daniel Bryan, Baron Corbin, Sami Zayn, Jey Uso and Kevin Owens. So in this match it will be either Daniel Bryan or Cesaro because it has been rumored from months that Daniel Bryan will face Roman at this pay-per-view, at that pay-per-view. So if Dan Bryan wins, it will be okay. But I think that Darrell is currently pushing Cesaro and he's having momentum going into the PPV. So Cesaro will win the Elimination Chamber. Now the winner of the chamber will directly face Roman Reigns on the same night. And I think when the chamber will be lifted, they will have their match. So the winner, it will be very exhausting for him to face Roman Reigns right now. So my prediction is that Roman will retain because he's going into WrestleMania and he needs to be the champion. Next is the Elimination Chamber match for the WWE Championship with the champion Drew McIntyre, Randy Orton, Sheamus, AJ Styles, Kofi Kingston and Jeff Hardy. All of these members are former world champions. So whoever wins beside Drew McIntyre will be another world champion, will add another world title to his career. So it's very exciting match with Jeff Hardy added as just a use and throw instrument. Jeff Hardy is in 1 week in the kickoff and 1 week in the chamber match. Wow. Nice. But we are not talking about that. We have to predict the winner. Well, there are few rumors that we can see Braun Strowman taking out another guy to enter the Rumble, or we can see Ali taking out Kofi Kingston to enter the Rumble, or we can even see the new Fiend, Evolved Fiend, returning in the Elimination Chamber. So that will be epic. But now we have to announce the winner. I think McIntyre will retain because McIntyre needs to retain. He's going into WrestleMania and he's a major star right now. And Dudley needs McIntyre to go into WrestleMania. And we will not see the Miz's cash in this PPV. Maybe we will see Miz cash in at WrestleMania like the Seth Rollins heist. Well, I also have a gut feeling that Almost will do something crazy this time, something memorable. Maybe he will break the cage, or maybe he will even eat Drew McIntyre. I don't know. He will do something crazy. Those were my predictions for Elimination Chamber 2021. Hope you agree with my predictions. I wanna know yours too. So please tell me your predictions in the comment section. If any other match gets added, I will give my prediction in the comment section, and I will upload my reaction video for whatever crazy happens at Elimination Chamber on the day of the chamber. And I'll see you next time, and stay too sweet.
Here we go.